So if you've been in a wreck, how do you calculate the amount of the diminished value of your vehicle? To determine this value, you need to hire an expert to look at your car after it's been repaired and determine the diminished value. We have experts here at my firm that we've used in the past, and what I've learned is that if your car's worth more than $10,000 and the repairs to your vehicle are more than $4,000, then there will be enough involved here to pay for these expert reports and get them produced, and it will give you an amount that after the repair, your car has decreased in value. And we all know when you go buy a car, you're going to look at a car differently because it's been in a wreck. Well, this diminished value takes that into consideration and is paying you basically now for what the penalty you're going to pay later on when you sell the car. That's basically what it is. So if you're involved in a wreck and another car causes the wreck, their insurance company is responsible for two things. Number one is paying you the repair and how much it costs to repair. They pay the body shop. And they also should pay you, assuming you make this claim, the diminished value, and that's where this report comes in. Now, if your car is totaled, there's no diminished value because all you are is you're paid the full value of your vehicle and you don't have the vehicle anymore. So there's no diminished value claims with regard to total loss cases, only with cars that are repaired. Also, if the other side doesn't have insurance, or if they do have insurance and you elect to go under your own coverage, you can make this diminished value claim with your own insurance company as well. And sometimes those go smoother because they treat you a little bit better than this other insurance company, which you've never paid a dime to and you have no relation to. But there are experts out there in the field that deal only with diminished value claims, and they're very good at what they do, and they help you determine the decrease in value that your car has sustained because it's been a wreck. And again, you can't get this report done or this analysis made until after the car has been repaired and they can look at it and give you this report.